Yo gang, what's happening? It's your boy Busy back with another banger of a video, and today I'm gonna be letting loose a little bit, sharing my reasoning behind my losses, why I felt that I lost that much money, and show you guys one of the most outrageous trades that I took that ended up in a loss. It was me trying to chase my loss, even though it's something that I say all the time, but I was at a very weak point where I was losing constantly over the week, and it got to a point where I really need a win just to feel like I don't want to feel like I'm not doing what I'm supposed to be doing. I guess I'm not saying that right, but you'll understand furthermore we go into the video. So before we jump right in, don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification button so you know when a new video comes out, and join my free Telegram channel with free signals every single day and a VIP that's absolutely free. All you gotta do is hit me up. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So gang, as you can see, we're getting back into trading as usual. A little bit skeptical today because you guys can see the immense loss I had on the 6th. We're talking about a huge loss. I mean, it really hit me hard, but you know, we never stop, so we're just gonna keep going. So Japanese yen has really been doing bad, and it's just me trying to get my head around it. First things first is that the most important thing you're doing as a trader is to not lose your confidence. Even though like I've drained a bit of my account, I don't want to lose that confidence that I have when I was having a winning streak, and now because I'm going through a rough patch, to kind of like lose it. So let me just quickly change this to EMA and 200. Yeah, and it's really difficult for me because I guess it's like because I've had so much wins. I've had losses as well, but this is the first time where I'm on like this huge losing streak, and I really want to get out of it as quickly as possible, but at the same time I don't want to force it. I don't know if you guys understand. So right now we're on Euro, Canadian dollars. I'm looking to enter into a put, but just to confirm, I'm gonna check M5. Does it seem like the right thing to do? But that's M5. M3 was a lot closer. Okay, M3 kind of shows there is a possibility to enter into a put. Now we're not seeing any resistance. I'm just looking off of the candle, waiting for it to cross this line here before I start to make my decision. Wait for it to cross the moving average. But I think if we can find an entry point that's a little bit higher right before this price ends, maybe we take some profit. I think right here might be good. I think right here again, double that up, even triple it up. Oh my god. Okay, everything is going a little bit to our plan. We're seeing that price still being pushed up. Sorry guys. It was a lot of close calls the last time, but I really want to get going with a nice little aggressive. Yeah, I know it's aggressive. It's aggressive start. You probably want to start off a little easier, but I really need a win badly because I really need to get it out of my head. And I feel like I probably won't advise any of you to get into a habit of that, but I'm throwing around huge amounts of money in my trading sessions, and those are huge losses that hit me like right where it hurts. And we start with 3 wins. I think that's a good way to start. Not bad. Not bad. I mean, it's nothing compared to the losses I've had of what, 5, 10. This was after the trading session. I think we ended the trading session a positive, and you can see I entered a trade for 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 grand, and I lost it. It was close too, and it was like just just the fact that I couldn't take the loss, if you feel me. I couldn't take the loss of losing 17K. I had to lose another extra 30, you feel me, to make it a total of 47 grand lost. So yeah, the hustle is real. You can really see the problem. But let's go Australian dollar, Japanese yen. You can see generally just, if we go and look at this, look at the whole day here, we'll see that this should be trending downwards overall. So in this case, when we go to M1, we're looking to enter into put, but we don't know if the market is gonna turn back once it passes this point, which I don't think is the highest point. So it might just continue to, go higher. So we'll enter into a call and see if you can follow the trend on this very bullish candle. Now we've already passed the point here, so definitely we're hoping that the market hits somewhere around here. So that's what we're expecting. We're expecting the market to build upwards to this point. And all right, we're still seeing it build. It's building up. We've got 20 seconds left. Won't really see them pushing that price down. I would like to see a more bullish candle, something similar to what we saw in this candle, but we're seeing it moving right in right there. So that's good. We're able to take our profit if there's no sharp movements here. Okay, so imagine we start 4 for 4 on $1,000. We're making 920 in profit. So that is not bad. We might go to Euro CAD again because I'm expecting it to start moving downwards. But no, now we start to see a huge situation where the market is moving sideways. Even though that we are in Stochastic is past 80, we don't see it cross our moving average. But now we see it cross, and now might be a time to enter into another put. Right there, we see it cross our moving average. That's our signal for us to enter into a trade. But because of the sideways movement, I'm trying to follow my guts, not to second guess my trades. But it is what it is. Let's get into it. I'm not expecting to get back to where I was, because I guess I'm being a little bit more aggressive with my trading over the last couple of months, because my goal was to get to 200K in profit this year, and I felt like I was slacking behind a little bit, and it just didn't feel like it was right. I felt like I could do better, and I started to get a little bit. The problem was I was aggressive, and it was working to start. I wasn't waiting for all my conditions to be met. I was just hoping that I could use my price action and my indicators and kind of like, instead of waiting for my conditions to be met to enter my trades, I was kind of pushing it a little bit. I was entering maybe a little bit earlier than I should. And, I really want to, I'm trying to get rid of that for sure now. So definitely here, we're going to definitely follow that trend downwards further. So I think a put here might also be good. I'm hoping that we'll see that price push down before it's zero. That's good, and we can see that happening. I've got something stuck in my throat today. I have no idea. How good would it be today, going from losing 30K into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trades, 5 for 5. And if I've gotten 5K on each of these trades, probably might make back some of the money that I lost. This is how terrible my week has been, so you guys can just see how terrible. I was able to pull off here, but just look at this, man. Yeah, I didn't even trade after that. I didn't trade on the 7th. I think, yeah, I just was just listening to stuff, trying to make myself. All right, so we take a loss, but I think it's enough profit for me today. 5 good trades. 1, we weren't able to predict the market, but I'm happy to see where we are. It's a beginning. It's a start to me trying to get my money back, try to get back to my account. 30K is a lot of money, but I got a little bit aggressive and I got burned. I hope that you guys can learn from this mistake as well. And if you want to join the best Telegram channel in the world for best in the class, in signals, trading, info, everything, join the Telegram channel. Links will be in the description. Also, you get free signals as well as a VIP that's absolutely free. So don't make sure to click that link and go check it out. So thank you guys for supporting me as always. There's almost 16,000 of you in the Telegram channel. I mean, I don't know what to say. All I can say is thank you guys for supporting. And if you've been here from day one, thank you even more for supporting through all these years. And it's been your boy Busy, and I'm out.